Alright folks, it's been about a week. It's time to check in on the chilies. What do I see? What's up, little buddy? Que pasa? So the Fresnos win the race. Oh yeah, baby. What do we have here? Oh man, the Fresnos are winning the race. Come on out, buddy. Come on out and introduce your little bad self to the world. Yeah. So far, I only got one little seedling. The rest of them are still enjoying time, hanging out in their little soil bath in the sauna. It's all right. They're coming. Can't you feel it? Can't you feel that? Oh yeah, baby. Come on.